What's good? It's your boy Lil Lito. Motherfucking, I'm about to do a little acapella for y'all without a beat, you know what I'm saying? Just so y'all can just hear the voice and shit. This is one of my throwback songs, actually. I wrote this when I was, I think 13, 14. It's called Take Me Back. Check it out. It's pretty decent, though. But, And there are times in this relationship that I wasn't sure. While I'm holding you, I'm thinking if our love is pure. Not even caring if we're together, I'm doing my own thing. Getting all these side girls just because I can sing. Now I'm starting to realize that you are my one prize. You love me from the very start. Love you for just who you are. And if you don't leave me and just give me one more chance, I promise I won't never glance at another woman. Oh, girl, please take me back. I got everything I want in life. The only thing that I'm missing is you. Oh, please take me back. I've done some stupid things in life, but losing you, the dumbest thing I do. Oh, please take me back. Out of every female in this world, you're the only one that I would choose. Oh, please take me back. See, this ain't spitting game no more. I can't let you walk out that door. Oh. Check me out.